Now understand the working of HENE laser. Working of HENE laser, helium neon gas laser. Okay. So working can be explained on the basis of energy level diagram. So energy level diagram of helium is different and neon is different. So you should know how to draw this energy level diagram. So helium have 3 energy level. And this is the ground state energy level of helium, and these are the 2 metastable state of helium. Okay, so helium energy level I will indicate with F1, F2 and F3. F1 is the ground state, F2 and F3 are the 2 metastable state. This is the energy level diagram of helium. Similarly, neon have 6 energy levels which can be drawn parallel to this. This is the E1 energy level, and E4 energy level is this, and E5 energy level is this. E6, sorry. So neon have energy level E1, and this is E4, and this one is E6. This is neon. Another energy level E2, E3 I will draw here. So E2 somewhere here exists, E2 energy level, and E3 further here, E4, and E5 in between E6 and E4. So you can understand this is E5. Okay, so you can see that energy level diagram. It is F1 is parallel to E1 of neon, F2 is parallel to E4 of neon, F3 is parallel to E6. This should be clearly drawn and they should be on the same line. F1 E1, F2 E4 and F3 E6. Okay, it means that whatever energy of F2 energy level is there, like let us say 10.2, so the same energy for E4 energy level 10.2 electron volt, and F3 if it is having 11.3 electron volt, so E6 will also be 11.3 electron volt. Okay, same energy of E6 E4 similar to F3 and F2. This is why, because helium can transfer its energy to neon and neon will be excited. So initially the helium atom which are present in the ground state will make transition to the F2 energy level, or it can go to the F3 energy level. So here this is the metastable state where population inversion is achieved of helium atom. Majority of that helium atom will come here, stay for longer time, and helium is excited. So right now in the beginning atoms were present in the ground state. Okay, so like this way. So now the atoms has come to the metastable state, so F2 and F3 energy level, and here it will stay for longer time, then it will transfer. So what is the equation I will write? Helium due to first electron impact, E1 plus helium will be excited. So again it will come to the helium star. Okay, and E2 second electron impact will be continued. Then helium will transfer its energy, as in the principle we have already discussed. This helium star will transfer its energy to neon, and neon will be excited. So the helium will come to the ground state and neon will be excited. Neon becomes star. Okay, so further again these two, third equation and the fourth equation, first two equation we have done in the principle only. Then this helium will transfer energy F3 to what, E6, and F2 will transfer its energy to E4. Then neon atom will be excited and will come to the E6 energy level. These are the neon atoms at E4 as well as at E6 energy level. Then from here, and the ground state is this one of neon, where earlier some atoms were present and neon is excited. All these atoms will come to E6 and E4 energy level. Then there is a transition. Atom can stay for not longer time here. It will make transition to the downward. So E6 to E5 there is a transition will make E6 to E5, and it will emit the laser radiation having the wavelength 33,900 angstrom wavelength, 33,900 angstrom. And neon may de-excite from E6 to E3 energy level. At that time it emits again the laser radiation having wavelength 6328 angstrom unit, which lies in the visible region, and this will lie in the infrared region. Further, the atoms which are present at E4, it will make transition to E3 energy level with again the laser emission 11,500 angstrom unit is emitted here. Okay, so these are the three important transitions which takes place in HE laser. The first one E6 to E5, second E6 to E3, and third one E4 to E3. Further, the atoms which will come to the E3 energy level, it will make transition to the E2 energy level. At that time no radiation is emitted, because it will not satisfy the energy condition. And E2 to E1 there is a transition of atom due to collision with the wall of the quartz tube, due to collision with the wall of quartz tube. Okay, so these are the energy level diagram. Only in the principle working you have to explain these two energy level diagram. So together helium as well as neon, and then you explain what happens in the beginning, third equation and fourth equation, how the atoms are going from F1 to F2, then F3, and then transfer of energy from F3 to E6, F2 to E4, then different transition, three important transition which takes place, E6 to E5, E6 to E3, and E4 to E3. No radiation because it is not satisfying the energy condition. So this is all about working of helium neon gas laser. Thank you.